Hi everybody, how you going this morning? Okay, so I wanted to show you how I make that sort of ancient wall with my scripts, and I'm using today burnt sienna, acrylic paint, Holcroft unbleached titanium, and Arteza pearl olive green, and I may use tranquility also. What I find is this particular one is actually quite, it doesn't dry out so fast. So we cover the plate with that. Let's get a new page to clean my brayer. Then we're putting on whatever stencil you've got with your script on it, like so. And then I'm adding, before I do anything, I might roll that over really gently just to push that all down nicely. Then I'm putting some of this Holcroft, and actually the Holcroft dries out quite rapidly, so I've just sprayed a bit of water with that to roll that out. Quite a lot of pressure, getting it into as many little bits as you can. Then I'm using black tissue paper. Now the tissue paper, as you know, you can't have that on there for long, so I just use that part of my hand and push down. And I will show it to you in a second as soon as I've pulled up the other one. It's a bit of a, you know, fast thing. Use the fleshy part of your hand to push that all down, getting as much into the actual script. And obviously anything that you've had on there before will come up too, which is gorgeous. All right, so it's really like a sandstony kind of wall. I don't know whether you can see that effect. And then the other one, which had a bit of blue from something else, which is very Egyptian-y kind of looking. So, I mean, obviously you all have some sort, yeah, I mean, you can do it with anything. It doesn't have to be scripture, I suppose. I just like script in my work, so that's the first step. The second step is I actually use the Arteza. Nice dollop of Arteza. This one is the pearl olive green. Making sure that brayer's clean again. I'm going over then. This one is the same deal. Palm of your hand, pushing down. Quite, if you're losing tissue paper, I might see if I've got a piece of actually paper that's black. Just tissue paper you have to be really quick with, as you know. Okay, there's that one. And I do have this piece. This is just a piece of copy paper that had black already on it first. Alright. That is what happens with copy paper though. It sometimes doesn't quite So I find a tissue paper, which is really interesting. You would think, I mean, it's still gorgeous, but you can't see it quite as much. I will put photos of these up. You know, that's not very strong black. It was just a weak black. You really need the black, I find, behind it to see all of the pieces, all of the symbols coming through. And I don't even know whether you can see them there because, you know. Okay, that's those. And then, of course, you get to take them off. Now this one, you can do a few things. You can wait. You can see if you can pull it now. It depends on how dry everything is. It does look pretty dry. I might leave it for a few seconds and then put maybe unbleached titanium on the top. I'm not sure as yet. I will put photos up of this and the last one when I pull it. I'll be back. Okay, so that was the last pull. That one there, and then this one here turned out absolutely fabulously. And these are the other ones. They've dried a little bit now, so they're not sticking to each other. This is the one I did earlier, but with the blue Tranquility sort of paint. That was the first one I did. The first pull on this video. That's not the same one. And the blue is coming from another, you know, just stuff left on the jelly plate really, and on the stencil. That's the one with the olive green, the pearl olive green coming through with the brown in the background. That's another one with that Tranquility. It's kind of this Tranquility paint, kind of light blue, pale blue. On the black it doesn't quite look like that though. And that's another one, and that's the other one of the pearl olive green Arteza. Okay,